Yo, hello everyone and welcome back again to a brand new video. Do you want to upgrade your sites to Wix Studio? This video will guide you throughout the process of transferring your existing website to Wix Studio for advanced design and functionality options. Let's transfer your Wix website to Wix Studio today. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you can have the full experience. First of all, guys, we need to understand what is Wix Studio. Well, Wix Studio is the ultimate platform for agencies and enterprise, offering a seamless solution to elevate your projects. With its smart design capabilities and flexible developer tools, you can deliver exceptional results for clients in any industry. Effortlessly manage multiple projects from our intuitive workplace, unleash your creativity with their advanced studio editor, and access a comprehensive set of tools tailored to your specific needs. From inception to execution, Wix Studio provides the seamless experience required to create exceptional sites and exceed clients' expectations. So, how can we switch to Wix Studio? Well, switching to Wix Studio means moving to their new Wix Studio workspace, where you can manage all of your sites and projects in a centralized place and use their advanced studio editor to build sites. There are three main ways to join Wix Studio. You can join directly from your account, from the studio homepage, or by being invited to join a team that already has been using Wix Studio. Now, joining via your account, if you are already using Wix, you will discover multiple entry points inviting you to switch, including throughout the site pages. Your site has both an account profile and the Wix template page. Let's go ahead and open it. So let me just go to Wix like that, click on this icon, that will take you to the main dashboard, where you can find all your sites. In case you didn't have many sites, well, that means they will take you exactly to the one only site that you have, like that. But for example, if you do have multiple sites, let me just show you guys here. I'm just gonna open a new tab in a new browser. I think it's Wix. There we go. And once I open it like that, look what will happen. This page will be opened. So this is something that normally you will not find it in any other page. Now, once you do this, as you can see, normally you will have this Wix Studio, as you can see right here. So you have to find it right here, or even if you didn't find it, for example, for me, you might find it in this area right here. But again, guys, you have to get your account at least to the premium plan so you can get this. So for me, I don't have it. That's why they are not really showing it. Now, the second option is basically going directly through the Wix Studio. So what's that is basically their official site that's basically gonna get you starting exactly through Wix Studio. So it starts creating, and that will take me directly to my Wix Studio account. So I can try Wix Studio like that, and seamlessly I can simply create my own account. So let me just do this: web design, create a site, explore a workspace. Let me just explore it, and here it is. Now, since I have this, basically I have here this thing here, this dashboard. I can view here all my sites. Now, basically, since I am opening this from this area, I can literally go right here to sites, and I'll be able to find my site right here. And just like that, I can edit it directly throughout the Wix Studio platform. So this will take me directly, as you can see, to my dashboard in Wix Studio, which will allow me eventually to edit it to have more options than the usual Wix code gave me. So let's just load and let's witness it. So here we go. It is basically rendering. And yeah, this is basically the Wix Studio platform. Now, what are the other solutions? Well, as you can see here, there is the joining via team invitation. You can also join with Wix Studio via an invitation to join a team. If invited to Wix Studio team, you will receive an email, click to accept the invite, log in, and you will land in your team's Wix Studio workspace. So this is how the invite email will be looking like. You simply have to click on this accept invite button, and you will be able to join the Wix Studio with your team, of course, on Wix. So these are the main ways that you can with them join Wix Studio in 2024. Now, the transfer of the website is basically the same. So once you join using any way of these, you will be able to open your site right through the Wix Studio. So this is my dashboard on Wix Studio. This is the website that I have, which is this one. And yeah, this is like the dashboard. I can go through it. This is the home page. This is the getting paid page, sales. So it looks similar to like basically the normal dashboard. Let me just open it. For example, here I have the normal dashboard. So it's pretty similar to it. Let me just click on this button right here. All right, so we can go to this area. Here we go. Yeah, that's exactly what I wanted to show you. So here the only difference that you might notice is the fact that Wix is different a little bit here. There is also like here, yeah, it is darker here, so the template is a bit different, but there's the same structure, the same things, the same like everything is basically the same somehow, so you don't really have to worry about it that much. Also here you'll find your notifications, you'll find everything just as if it was your own Wix website, the normal thing, the usual thing. So nothing really special about it that much. The only thing that you might find weird or special is the dashboard, how it looks. Maybe they worked on the dashboard more, so the dashboard looks totally different. Here you can find everything from template to people suggestions in videos, like inside their video, some kind of tutorials in here, cool design ideas and elements, a lot of stuff that can help you basically, that you can learn from them. So you can have like a library with bunch of information that you can basically just use for your own needs and for your own good. Also guys, you will find here your earnings, your revenue. So this is, for example, the Wix Studio Premium and the Wix Premium. So this is the difference between them. So you can have a little bit of like comparison here. So for example, discover how much you can earn by adjusting the slider to your figures. Let's say client says, let's move it, for example, here to 100. You will be making this much. Let me just reduce this to 0, 7k. So you can see already like there is like 50k and this one is like basically 7k. So yeah, there's a huge difference when it comes to the earnings. I mean, it's kind of like a plan of marketing, but still, yeah, over years you will still be making a lot of money using Wix Studio rather than using the Wix Premium. And yeah, that is pretty much it guys for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you do have any kind of more questions about transferring your site or anything like that, you are simply gonna find it right here. And in case you don't have a website already, you can simply just recreate it from scratch by clicking on here, and you'll be able to recreate it so you don't find any problem or any mistake during that process. So yeah guys, thank you all for watching. If you have any problems, make sure to mention them in the comment section down below, and see you guys in the next tutorial. Bye bye.